In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut, copy, and paste objects in Draw.io. First, open your web browser and head to the Draw.io website, also known as diagrams.net. If it's your first time, choose a storage location and either create a blank diagram or open an existing file so you have shapes to work with. You'll see the shapes library on the left and a canvas in the center. Click a shape to select it. To select several objects at once, click and drag a box around them, or hold Shift and click Additional Items. If you select the wrong thing, click on Empty Space to clear your selection. Now let's cover the three essentials: cut, copy, and paste. Cutting removes the selected object from the canvas and places it on your clipboard so you can move it somewhere else. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl+X. On a Mac, use Command+X. Copying creates a duplicate while keeping the original in place. Press Ctrl+C on Windows and Linux, or Command+C on a Mac. Pasting inserts whatever is on your clipboard into the canvas. Use Ctrl+V on Windows and Linux, or Command+V on a Mac. If you prefer menus, you can also find these options under the Edit menu at the top. When you paste, Draw.io typically places the object near your cursor or in view on the canvas. If the pasted item overlaps something, just click and drag to reposition it. For precise adjustments, use the arrow keys to nudge the selection. Hold Shift while nudging to move a bit faster. If you're working with multiple shapes, remember that your selection moves as a group, which is perfect for reorganizing sections of a diagram. A quick tip to keep things organized: zoom out slightly before pasting larger groups so you can see where they land, then zoom back in to fine-tune. You can also paste onto another page within the same diagram. Just switch pages at the bottom and paste there. This makes it easy to reuse sections without rebuilding them from scratch. That's all you need to know. Open Draw.io, select your objects, and use cut, copy, and paste to move or duplicate them efficiently. With these shortcuts in your muscle memory, you'll diagram faster, stay consistent, and keep your workspace tidy. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming.